Welcome to Deck Builders San Diego, the podcast that turns outdoor dreams into real-world projects across America's finest city. In today's episode, Home Makeover Diaries, the focus is on true transformation, how everyday backyards in neighborhoods like La Jolla, Pacific Beach, North Park, and Mission Valley become the heart of the home, with the right design and the right team. Picture this: a cracked concrete slab, a tiny step down from the sliding door, and nowhere comfortable to sit. For many homeowners, that is the before picture. The crew at Tuff Deck Builders San Diego sees this all the time, and in this episode they walk through how those spaces evolve into warm, welcoming decks that feel like outdoor living rooms. It all starts with listening. The team sits down with the homeowner and asks simple but powerful questions. How many people usually gather here? Do you grill, host parties, or just relax? Do you need shade, privacy, or space for kids and pets? Once the vision is clear, the layout takes shape. The episode explains how a good design respects the home's architecture and flow. Maybe that means creating a wide landing outside the back door, then stepping down to a lower deck level that follows the yard's slope. Maybe it means wrapping a deck around a corner to link the kitchen and living room to a shared outdoor hub. By hearing examples from places like Hillcrest, Clairemont, and Scripps Ranch, listeners get a feel for how different properties call for different shapes, sizes, and levels. Materials are another key chapter in this diary. The team talks through why many San Diego homeowners choose composite decking for low maintenance and long life, especially in sun-drenched coastal areas. For those drawn to natural wood, the episode explores options that balance charm with durability. Railings, lighting, and stairs are treated as both safety features and design opportunities, helping decks feel polished, not just functional. Listeners also hear about timelines and expectations. The episode outlines how Deck Builders San Diego approaches the process step by step, from initial ideas and measurements to permits, demo, framing, decking, and final walkthrough. Clear communication keeps homeowners informed so there are no surprises, just steady progress toward that after moment. By the end of Home Makeover Diaries, you can almost see the transformation. A new deck in place, string lights overhead, and family or friends gathering outside for the first time. If this has you looking at your own backyard differently, explore more at tuffdeckbuilderssandiego.com, scroll through real projects on Instagram at Tuff Deck Builders San Diego, or call 619-903-6535. This is Deck Builders San Diego, where every great home makeover story includes a better way to live outdoors.